Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford, and we're talking about illogical beliefs of food. This is a series, and I want to give you that sometimes when you are dealing with erratic food behaviors, poor body image, a lot of times what can happen is it can feel like consistent chatter. It can feel like it's just in my head all of the time. I'm constantly thinking about food. I'm constantly hating my body, and it just gets really, really loud. And that loudness in your head is so distracting. And one of the first steps to decreasing that noise is acknowledging that it's there. So it's similar to a child. Sometimes the louder they get, the bigger that they get. In terms of emotions, they're deep down subconsciously is they're wanting someone to say, hey, I can see that this is really hard. I'm validating that you're having a really hard time right now. You don't have to say that words exactly. But even just saying, oh my gosh, the noise in my head about food, it's on all the time. And having someone say, I see that, and that's okay. Without judging, without evaluating, without trying to fix it, is that noise is really loud and I see that. And you're okay. And I'm here with you, even when you're not okay. And that chatter is coming from some illogical belief that you don't deserve food will go away, you're never going to be able to handle this. All of these types of beliefs do require change for the chatter to change. So stick around and keep looking at some of these beliefs, and hopefully I can help navigate some for you.